Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing required online appointments for certain types of visa extensions. Let me preface this video by first of all saying, if you are on a non-immigrant visa in Thailand and you are regularly extending your status, this video does not apply to you. So standard non-immigrant extenders, people that extend their status in Thailand under, for example, a Thai business visa, a Thai O marriage visa, a Thai O retirement visa, a Thai OA retirement visa, a Thai ED visa. Any of these non-immigrant categories, Thai M media visa, any of these extension categories, this video does not pertain to you. What we are talking about specifically are visa exemptions, P30, 14 days, 30 days, 90 days, non-30 days, non-90 days, TR-15, so, tourist visa on arrival, transit visas, courtesy visas, APEC, lost passport, etc. So certain corrections and things, you may need to do things via the online system. So long story short, these are extensions pertaining to things like a 30-day stamp in Thailand, and more pertinently, this seems to be specifically for those who got trapped in Thailand as a result of the response to COVID-19. So quoting directly from Bangkok Immigration, visa extension for reason of COVID-19, an application must be submitted before the 29th of January 2021 at Muang Thong Thani Temporary Center. The queue online is available. Now click here. I'm going to go ahead and throw this announcement up on screen and quote directly, short-term visa extension service counter K at Muang Thong Thani Temporary Service Center, service for online queue only, meaning if you are extending because you got trapped in Thailand due to COVID and you have something like a 30-day stamp or an exemption stamp or a tourist visa on arrival, you came in before the quote-unquote amnesty came into effect and you're still trying to maintain status via this route, first of all, you need to apply before the 29th of January to extend your status. And you need to make arrangements to do that online. And they go into that on this announcement. We'll keep that up there for a minute. In order to reduce overcrowding of visitors amid the situation of COVID-19 pandemic, please follow the instructions mentioned below. Reserve online queue before receiving a service. Download a confirmation document from email and prepare all required documents before receiving a service. Submit an application for visa extension 1 to 2 weeks before the visa expiry date. So keep that in mind. Also bear in mind you got to do this before the 29th of January. So again, this appears to be for folks who fell into the quote-unquote amnesty, but bear this in mind, it does not pertain to standard extensions that we're used to dealing with, in the regular course of doing business here in Thailand, B visas, O visas, etc. This is for folks who got stuck here due to the COVID response. You need to go ahead and deal with this stuff online, and you need to be dealing with it with some alacrity as the deadline's coming up January 29th, 2021.